Have you ever wondered why turmeric, that golden yellow powder sitting quietly in your kitchen, has always been so deeply loved in our culture? Our mothers added it to curries. Our grandmothers mixed it in milk whenever we were sick. And even today, people around the world are beginning to realize what our elders knew all along, that turmeric is not just a spice, it's a natural healer. For centuries, it has been part of Ayurveda and traditional medicine. And now modern science is finally confirming its incredible power. So today, let's explore the most remarkable benefits of this golden spice and how you can easily bring its magic into your everyday life. Remember when our grandmothers used turmeric on small cuts or wounds, it might have looked unusual, but it worked. Turmeric's curcumin fights bacteria and helps wounds heal faster. It's like nature's first aid, simple, safe, and full of love. Turmeric also strengthens our body's natural shield, the immune system. That's why our elders made warm turmeric milk whenever someone had a cold or fever. Just a pinch every day can make a big difference. It's also a gentle friend for anyone struggling with joint pain or inflammation. Unlike painkillers, turmeric works deeply to heal the root cause. And did you know it can even support your hormones and emotional balance? By calming stress and inflammation, turmeric helps you feel more energetic and centered. Finally, it works wonders for your skin, brightening, healing, and giving it a natural glow. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's golden care from nature itself. Add a little to your meals or milk each day, and let its healing light work within you. And now I'm curious, how do you use turmeric in your daily life? If this video helped you, share it with someone who might need it. And stay connected for more simple, natural topics like this.